See, I ain't the best, but I'm motherfucking killing shit. Can be a calm guy, but sometimes a little ignorant, but don't give a flip. Now everybody claims they spit, talk about the J's they hit, but it's the same old shit. Right. I ain't talking shit about nobody, cause nobody's turning to whole bodies that don't go body. Matter of fact, I got one screaming Mo Poppy in my zone. Shout out to my fucking bro Marley Love. Yeah, you making quicker decisions, that's why you're always quick to end up in such predicaments. Listen, if you take your time, then maybe you can be a little ridiculous, a little bit serious. I'm finna be the richest submissionist. I'ma take you to another dimension. You 100% unofficial and I am something too vicious. These rappers ain't competition. You honestly condescending, my policy's comprehensive. I'm all in my propositions, I'm a baller, a shot caller. You say you getting haunted, motherfucker, I'm the haunter. See a girl, I want my balls licked. Sorry that was awful, disrespectful, but I thought it'd be necessary cause I work harder than bust. I'm furious, insane, I'm never finna change. There was never not a time I ain't reminiscing pain. And my uncle Sonny passed and that's what's giving me the name to do what I do and make big change and fuck up the game. And my pops always tells me, do what you feel is right. He told me stay strapped cause tonight might be the night that I see the light or beat the fight or bring the heat to all the beats that I eat like pizza pie. He thinks he's the guy, he can try, but I'm stronger, a lot stronger than you thought of. I'm a monster, a Martian, so my mind makes me conscious. I'm the meanest that's ever discovered. I'm never in second, I never go under. You soft like some jello, so get undercover. I got your girl spreading like bread, toast, and butter. After that peso, just fess up. Your girl playing dress up, I'm Lightning McQueen, and you never gon' thunder. What up? Little pussy, what up? Little pussy, what up? Hey, word to the homies. Word to the homies.
My nigga, it's either do or die. So when you see me, you should choose to commit suicide. When they see me, they probably asking who's this guy. But as for this beat, nigga, look who just died. Raise the bar high like I'm bench pressing, and I move more bricks than motherfucking Tetris. Hotter than Texas, use a thermometer, Johnny test this. Always in boxes.
Facebook message.
Cause you right when you say I'm righteous. I'm fighting like I was Tyson. Offend you like a titan. Time to fight with these titans. I grew up off these lines, so the flow just written got ripened. Flip these similes, metaphors, nouns, and verbs on these niggas. I'm sure you heard that I'm murdering, ain't no curve for these niggas. This is a sick version with a lyrical person that's making sure they leaking red like ketchup. But you must heard that I'm hurting these niggas, blasting like turrets. They breaking off like they Hershey's. You give a little courtesy to curtsy these niggas, blurting all these curse words, but I'm cursing these niggas. You a worm in the dirt, and I'm a germ to these niggas. Mentally, I'm so complex, conscious, ain't no contest. Especially flexing inside of any or every complex. Hopscotching the fame until they say I'm the hottest. And spitting, turning the favors, make you nauseous, you novice. You just got lyrically butt fucked in the back of a dump truck with a samurai sword mixed with an 18-inch nunchuck. I bust nuts all over you dumb fucks until you upchuck. You fuck up.
Oh shit.
Yeah. VA, Vivid, Cog Train Luck. Pencil tip bandit, hit these rappers with eraser tips. Trying to hold it down, I got a razor grip. Take the razor slit, watch the music flow out when I breathe. Niggas would die in seconds if your lungs could suffocate my steeds. Sometimes I feel righteous when I'm puffin' Nimbus 9. Ain't get nimble with my niggas till the sitting to recline. But I keep a detox, while chief and I can chief rock. I get a high every time the beat knocks. But check it, but that bottle ain't off limits, and neither is your girl. She want a man that is authentic, my styling is half vintage. My skin is of all pigments, my pictures, guess that's why my manifesto is artistic. Come spar with me. Yeah, you wanna box me? Take a number. Keep sleeping on the kid. See Freddy Krueger in your slumber. Now that's a rude awake. I ride a path that only few will take, and I'm grinding in a place that only few can skate. Yeah, when contradiction is common among my people, and all these niggas wanna stunt like Knievel. We live in a world infatuated by evil. Don't believe me? Then why's everybody fresher than Jesus? He wore a robe and sandals. Adam Eve wore nada, but the goblins rock supreme and the devil wears Prada. The Martians wear leggings, hipsters rock independence, hype beasts pray for money to spend it on true religion. Fuck is we kidding, man?